In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and populate a slider layout component in Wix Studio. To get started, open your layout project canvas inside the Wix Studio editor using Chrome. Make sure you are inside the correct project and viewing the main canvas area where your page layout is built. This is important because the slider will be added directly into the page structure, and working from the canvas gives you the clearest view of how it will fit with the rest of your design. If your editor takes a moment to load, let everything fully appear before moving on so the interface responds smoothly. Once your project canvas is open, go to the Add Elements panel. You can do this by clicking the plus icon, then navigating to Layout Tools. Inside that section, select a slider layout component block. This gives you a ready-made sliding content area that can display multiple visuals in a clean, interactive format. Sliders are especially useful when you want to showcase several portfolio pieces without taking up too much space on the page at once. After you insert the slider block, place it where it makes the most sense in your layout. Take a second to look at its size and alignment on the canvas so it feels balanced with the rest of the page. A well-positioned slider can make the design feel polished and easier for visitors to explore. Next, populate the layout slides with your chosen graphic imagery portfolio files. Add the visuals you want to showcase, making sure each slide contains the correct image and that the collection feels consistent from one slide to the next. Try to use imagery that matches in quality, style, and proportion whenever possible. This helps the slider feel intentional and professional rather than uneven or distracting. As you add your portfolio graphics, pay attention to how each image appears inside the slide area. If something looks cropped awkwardly or feels out of place, adjust it within the component so the most important part of the design remains visible. The goal is to create a smooth viewing experience where each slide highlights your work clearly. Once your images are in place, review the slider on the canvas and click through the slides to confirm everything displays properly. This final check helps you catch spacing, order, or visual consistency issues before moving on. With that done, your Wix Studio layout now includes a slider component filled with your portfolio imagery ready to support a more dynamic and visually engaging page design.